introduce myself. My name is Faridatul Aulia with NIM 17250713. Hello, good morning everyone. Today I would like to share my opinion about smoking in campus area. A topic that affects not only the environment but also the well-being of students and staff. In my opinion, smoking should not be allowed in campus area because campus is a place for learning, growth, and productivity. The presence of cigarette smoke disturbs this environment by creating health risks for both smokers and non-smokers. Secondhand smokes, as we know, can cause serious health problems, especially for those who are sensitive or have respiratory issues. Moreover, allowing smoking on campus sends the wrong message to younger students. Campus should promote healthy habits and set a positive example. When smoking is tolerated, it may appear as if the institution does not prioritize health or discipline. I believe campus should provide this designated smoking area located far from classrooms, library, and common space. This way, those who choose to smoke still have a place to do so without affecting to others people. At the same time, the main campus environment remains clean, healthy, and comfortable for everyone. In conclusion, limiting or restricting smoking in campus area is not only about rules, it is about creating a healthy and supportive environment where students can focus, learn, and study. Thank you. So that's my opinion about smoking in campus area. In this presentation, I will explain what the definition of simple present tense, about the functions, the sentence structures, and the rules. Also, I will provide the example to help us understand how this tense appears in everyday communication. In the first page, I will explain about the definition of simple present tense. Okay, what is present tense? What is simple present tense? The simple present tense is a tense used to express events that occurs regularly, routinity, and habit in the present. What does present mean? Present in the simple present tense means now. The simple, it means simple, and the tense, it means refers to the verb form, corresponds to the time period used. So when we use simple present tense, the present tense is used to express general events or universal facts that remain true at the current time. In addition, the simple present tense is also applied in conditional sentence type 0 and type 1, where it is especially typically paired with the simple future tense. The formula for this tense is relatively straightforward as it is commonly used in daily communication. Before explaining the tense in greater detail, it is useful to review the basic structure of a sentence. Generally, a sentence consists of the following three components. The first one is S, the meaning is subject, and P for predicate, and C for complement. The next one is structure of simple present tense. Structure sentence about simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to describe habits, facts, and regular action. So for the positive words is using subject plus verb plus o, and for negative one is subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb plus o, and for the question is do or does plus s plus v plus o. Now I will explain about the example. For the positive words is I play the guitar, you read books, he drives a taxi, she runs fast, it barks loudly, we watch movies, and the last one is they cook dinner. For the negative one is we put don't or doesn't sesuai sama. The first one is I don't play the guitar, so this is the positive words, and this is the negative words. We put don't. Okay. So, the next one is you don't read books, he doesn't drive a taxi, she doesn't run fast, it doesn't bark loudly. This is using doesn't and this is using don't because it is the verb is you and this is the verb is he or she. For the question we put do or does. So the example is do I play the guitar, do you read books, does he drive a taxi, does he run fast, does it bark loudly, do we watch movies, do they cook dinner. Yeah, that's the example. Next page is time words or adverb of time. We use usually, rarely, always, often, sometimes, never, hardly never, every week, every day, every month, 4 times a day, 4 times a week. This is the time words or adverb of time that we use in simple present tense. The next page is characteristic of present tense. I will describe about characteristics of this simple present tense. The first one is use verbs in their basic form or familiar irregular verbs. For the example is I play soccer every weekend. Play is the verb in its basic form. For the second is use auxiliary verbs, namely do or does, for negative and interrogative verbal sentence. For the example is she doesn't eat meat. Does not a negative auxiliary verb, for the subject is she. Do you like chocolate? For the other example. And the third one is in the present tense there are usually adverbs of time such as always, usually, often, seldom, rarely, never, and every day, week, month, or year. For the example is I always drink coffee in the morning. Like I say before, this the time words or adverb of time. And the last one is I will describe about the function. The first function of simple present tense is for general truth or generalization or fact. For give the truth, give the facts to other, and habitual or daily activities. For daily report about our activity, like now I play the guitar, like that. For express feelings and emotion. for the scheduled event in the near future of or familiar with the future conditions. And the last one is for command or instructions. So that's all for my presentation about the simple present tense. I hope it makes everything easier to understand. Thank you so much for listening.